Let's solve a question on the application of integration in economics. The question is, if marginal propensity to save function is given by, that is s prime y is equal to 0.3 minus 0.1 times y raised power minus 1 upon 2, where y is the level of income, we have to find out what will be the total savings function if aggregate savings is 0 when income is equal to 81. Okay, so this is our MPS function here. Okay, now how do we solve this kind of question? So from this we need to find out the savings function. Okay, and how do we find out it? Very simple. We know that savings will be equal to, so our total savings will be the integral of the marginal propensity to save function. Okay, and marginal propensity to save function is being given us here, that is 0.3 minus 0.1 y raised power minus 1 upon 2. So we need to integrate this MPS function to find out the total savings function. Okay, now the integral of this function will be, so the integral of 0.3 will be 0.3 y minus the integral of, let's first write 0.1, the integral of y raised power minus 1 upon 2 will be y raised power minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Okay, by the laws of the integration, that is, if we have x raised power n, its integral is simply x raised power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. We add the exponent by 1 and we divide by the resulting exponent. Here we have added the exponent by 1 and divided by the resulting exponent. Okay, solving further this, so our s will be equal to, total savings will be equal to, and obviously we have to add the constant of integration when we are dealing with the indefinite intervals. So we have 0.3 y minus, and let us first solve this equation. So what will be our exponent? We have minus 1 upon 2 plus 1, so it is equal to minus 1 plus 2 divided by 2, so this is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, so our exponent is 1. What about the denominator? It will be also equal to 1 upon 2. So can we rewrite it like this? 0.1 y raised power 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2 plus the constant of integration, which will be equal to, so we have 0.3y minus, if I transpose this, it will get multiplied with this 0.1. So what is 0.1 into 2? So it is simply equal to 1 upon 10 into 2, which is equal to 2 upon 10, which is equal to 0.2. So can I write it like this? 0.2 y raised power 1 upon 2 plus the constant of integration. Okay, so we also need to find out the value of c here. Okay, we are being told that when aggregate savings is 0, sorry, when income is equal to 81, our aggregate savings is equal to 0, which implies our s is equal to 0 when our income is equal to 81. Okay, so we plug the value of s, and if I write it like this, so our s is equal to this very function. We are being told when income is equal to 81, savings is equal to 0. Let's plug the value of s is equal to 0 here. So 0 is equal to, so in place of y we have income is obviously here 81, so can I write 0.3 times 81, then we have minus 0.2 y raised power 1 upon 2 means under root. Okay, y is equal to 81 here plus the constant of integration, which implies, solving this, so we have 0 is equal to 0.3 of 81 is equal, let us solve this first. So we have 3 upon 10 of 81, so it becomes 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 20, so 24 divided by 10, so this becomes 24.1. okay, so So this comes out to be 24.1 minus 0.2 under root of 81 is 9. So let us write it here 9 plus the constant of integration, which implies 24.1 minus what is 2 upon 10 of 9. It becomes 9 2s are 18 divided by 10, which is 1.8. So let us write it here 1.8. I hope I am doing the calculation right. Okay, 1.8 and we have obviously y. So sorry, we are trying to find out the value of c plus the constant of integration. It is equal to 0. Okay, so 24.1 minus 1.8. Oh, now the cost, so it comes out to be 3. I hope I am doing the calculation right here. So 22.3 we got here. The value of c, rather we got 22.3 plus c is equal to 0, which implies c will be equal to minus 22.3. Then our aggregate saving function will be equal to s will be equal to, so plug the value of c in this equation. So we get 0.3y minus 0.2 y raised power 1 upon 2 plus the constant of integration, which we got here, minus 22.3. This will be our savings function. I hope I make myself clear in this video and you find out this video helpful. Thank you.